If you want to enable or disable autofill in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to manage Chrome autofill settings step by step, including password autofill so you can turn it on when you want convenience, or turn it off if you prefer more control and privacy. This is a quick but important Chrome setting that can make your browsing experience much easier. If this video helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click Settings. This will open the Chrome settings page in a new tab. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This is the section where Chrome keeps all of your saved personal information, including passwords, payment methods, and addresses. If you've ever wondered where Chrome stores autofill options, this is the place. Next, click Google Password Manager. This takes you to the password management area where you can control how Chrome handles saved login details. Once you're inside Google Password Manager, click Settings. Here, you'll see the options that control password autofill behavior in Chrome. Look for Offer to Save Passwords. If you want Chrome to help you store new login details, turn this setting on. If you do not want Chrome prompting you to save passwords, switch it off. Right below that, look for Sign In automatically. If this is turned on, Chrome can automatically sign you into websites using saved credentials. If you want Chrome to stop signing you in without asking, turn this option off. So to enable autofill in Chrome, make sure these settings are switched on. To disable autofill in Chrome, simply switch them off. That's all there is to it. Depending on what you prefer, you can keep autofill enabled for speed and convenience or disable it for a more manual sign-in process. If you manage shared devices or want better privacy, disabling autofill can be a smart choice. And if you often log into the same websites, enabling it can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next easy walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.